Hey guys, and welcome back. This is actually part 3 of Sound and Letters Digraph TH, okay? So yesterday you had our 3-part drill in your first video. Then you learned about voice TH. Now today you are practicing unvoiced digraph TH. So we remember that a digraph is 2 letters that come together to make one sound. And I gave you the practices of we've learned about how CH makes the ch sound as in chin. We've learned that SH makes the sh sound as in shark. And we learned that voiced TH makes the v sound as in this. Today, we are going to learn about how TH can make a soft or unvoiced sound as in thumb. Okay? When you're thinking about this soft and unvoiced sound, air is passing silently. Thumb. When you do the sound, there is no vibration in your throat. So when you say this, you can feel a vibration. When you say thumb, you don't feel the vibration when you're going over that digraph sound. So practice doing it. Air is just passing right through my teeth and my tongue, okay? So when we do this one, you would go thumb, this. Okay? This one's a little bit difficult. This thumb goes over the voice and the unvoiced TH sound. All right, we're going to practice writing some unvoiced TH words, with our first word being thin. Thin. Let's pound it. Thin. Thin. We know that is unvoiced TH. Vowel I. Consonant N to make the word thin. Let's sound it out. Thin. Very good job. Erase that. Now we're going to try path. Path. Ready? Let's pound it. Path. Path. Consonant P. Vowel A. Digraph, unvoiced, TH. So if you look, our TH is at the end of our word. Let's sound it out. Path. Very good job. All right, let's do another word. We're going to do moth. Moth. Ready? Let's pound it. Moth. Moth. Let's write it. Unvoiced TH. Let's sound it out. Moth. Very, very, very good job. We are going to move now to writing our sentences. Now, these sentences are going to have voiced and unvoiced TH, so you have to listen carefully to see what I'm saying. Our first word is Thad can jog on this path. Thad can jog on this path. All right, our first word is, let's just pound the sentence. Thad can jog on this path. Let's tap. Thad can jog on this path. We got 6 words. Our first word is Thad. We have that, which is unvoiced TH. Since it's the first word in our sentence, I'm uppercasing that T. Add. Add. Bad. Can. And. Jog. J. G. Thad can jog on is a red word. This. V is voiced TH. S. Thad can jog on this path. Unvoiced TH. And I need a period to end my sentence. Thad can jog on this path. So we have our TH, that's going to be an unvoiced up here. Thad. We have a TH for this, which is going to be voiced. And then our TH in path is unvoiced. All right, let's try another sentence. Did Beth get them that pot of jam? Let's pound it. Did Beth get them that pot of jam? Let's tap. Did Beth get them that pot of jam? That's going to be a word. So our first word is did. We need an uppercase D because it is the first word in our sentence. Did Beth. Beth is a name, so we need an uppercase B. B. E. Vowel. Unvoiced TH. Did Beth get get them? That is voiced TH. Vowel E. Consonant M. Did Beth get them that? We got another voice TH. Did Beth get them that pot of was a red word. OF of jam. And this is a question, so I need a question mark. Let's read it. Did Beth get them that pot of jam? Very, very, very good job. All right. What we're going to do next is I'm going to ask you to go read that phonics first story of the bug that Beth did see. That's what you're going to go practice today, okay? And then tomorrow you will come back for a video about your red word, okay? All right, guys, thanks for joining.